Everyone wants to be healthy. It's a universal desire that transcends age, race, and background. We all strive for that sense of well-being. Everyone wants to feel good. Feeling good means having the energy to enjoy life, to laugh, and to share moments with loved ones. For some communities, this can be hard. There are many obstacles that can make it difficult to achieve a healthy lifestyle, from lack of resources to environmental factors. It can be hard to eat healthy. Access to fresh, nutritious food isn't always easy, but making small changes can lead to big improvements. It can be hard to find time to exercise. Our busy lives often leave little room for physical activity, but it's crucial for our health. This is for you. We will talk about easy exercises. Simple routines that fit into your daily schedule can make a big difference. We will talk about healthy eating on a budget. Eating well doesn't have to be expensive. There are many ways to make nutritious choices without breaking the bank. We will talk about how to stay motivated. Staying motivated can be challenging, but with the right support and mindset, you can achieve your goals. You can do it. A healthy lifestyle is for everyone. Let's start today. Let's make small changes. Let's get healthy together. Remember, every step counts, and together we can make a difference. Exercise doesn't have to be hard. It can be as simple as moving your body in ways that feel good to you. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. Start with simple things. Walk around your neighborhood. Walk to the store. Enjoy the fresh air and the sights around you. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. It's a great way to get your heart pumping and strengthen your legs. If you can, try jogging. Start slow and short. Gradually increase your pace and distance as you feel more comfortable. You can do these exercises anywhere. Whether it's in your living room, backyard, or a local park, the possibilities are endless. Try squats, push-ups, and lunges. These body weight exercises are effective and can be done without any equipment. Put on some music and dance. Dancing is a fun way to get your body moving and lift your spirits. It's fun and good for you. Find something you like. Make it fun. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like exercise. Even a little bit helps. Be consistent. Every step counts. Remember, the key is to keep moving and make it a regular part of your routine. Healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive. Here are some tips to help you eat well without breaking the bank. Buy vegetables and fruits in season when they are cheaper. Seasonal produce is not only more affordable, but also fresher and more nutritious. Frozen and canned work too. They are often just as nutritious as fresh and can be stored for longer periods, making them a convenient option. Choose brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat bread. These whole grains are not only filling, but also packed with essential nutrients and fiber. They are filling and good for you. Incorporating them into your meals can help you stay full longer and maintain a balanced diet. Beans, lentils, eggs, and chicken are good sources of lean protein. These options are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Cook with olive oil or avocado oil. These healthy fats are great for cooking and can enhance the flavor of your meals. You can make healthy versions of your favorite foods. Ask for recipes from friends or look online for inspiration to keep your meals exciting. Share tips with friends and family. Eating well is easier when you have a support system, and sharing knowledge can help everyone eat better. Section 4. Overcoming challenges. There will be challenges, but you can overcome them. Plan your meals for the week. This helps you eat healthy and save money. Look for free or low-cost resources. Parks are great for exercise. Community centers often offer classes. Ask friends and family for support. Find a workout buddy. Join a group. Don't give up. It's okay to have a bad day. Just get back on track tomorrow. Section 5. You can do it. Believe in yourself. You can do this. Water is important for your body. When you're rested, you have more energy. Every step counts. Celebrate your successes. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own journey. Be patient. It takes time to see results. Section 6. Small steps, big changes. Start small. Make one change at a time. These small changes add up. Be consistent. Be patient. You got this. A healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the journey.